Real quick before we jump into this video, you are important. I need you to watch this video from beginning to the end. We running up the numbers. We got to get them on up there. We doing this as a team. It's a family. It's the game. You're doing me a favor and you're doing you a favor, so we can keep delivering this great content right to your screen, baby, from beginning to the end. Let's go. What's up, JPC gang? Welcome back to another episode of Jam Packed Cooking. That's right, it's your boy Chef Ray, Mr. Money. It's Memorial Day weekend, and typically I know you're doing the hot dogs and hamburgers. We're gonna switch it up today. Baseability out the window. We doing beef on beef corn dog. Some of the most crispification, flavorification things you gonna see on YouTube today. This is another episode of Jam Packed Cooking. Let's eat. 46. Let's go, baby. So what's up, gang? Welcome back. Listen, I'm finna turn you on to something real proper like. That's right, beef on beef corn dogs. Let's make some batter for our corn dogs real quick. You know we're not going out the box, none of that. Use what you can use, but I hope you use this because it is delicious. We're gonna start off with 2 cups of the great yellow cornmeal. 1 cup of AP flour, all-purpose flour. It's Memorial Day weekend, and I know normally, typically, man, we always with them basic burgers and dog. Not today. This is about 3 tablespoons of baking powder. We got some salt going in. That's about a half a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of sugar. Give them a quick mix. We used to do these out at the lake on Memorial Day, popping fireworks and big kicking it with the kids. You know how they go, baby. Dry ingredients done. We gotta get 2 eggs in here. Huevos. 1. Hold the shells. 2 eggs, just like that. You know ain't none salt there around here. This is sweet, baby. We got some of that Yucatan honey. 3 tablespoons. For the consistency that we're looking for, we're gonna start out with about a cup of milk. Give it a whisk and see where we at. Cause you can always add more liquid, but you can't take it out, baby. It's got to be creamy. The creamification. Big shout out to all the JPC gang members out there, man, that's using all this lingo. You know our lingo is to the next level, no base ability. We're gonna get an education all day long. Look at the flick in my wrist. Whip it up, gang, for Memorial Day. So look, that's about where we at right there. That's perfect to me. It's runny, it's thick, it's not too wet, just right. We got about a quart of milk left. We put about a cup and 3/4 into our mixture. Let this sit. It's gonna become just the right texture for these beef on beef corn dogs. We got about a half a pound of ground beef down. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do real quick. Use your favorite ground beef. This is an 80-20 grind. We cooking outdoors today, so y'all might hear some planes and things. It's Memorial Day weekend. Everybody happy. We right up here on this lake. So we got a tablespoon of SPG and a tablespoon of magic dust. BigSmokeysBBQ.com for your magic dust. Flavorification to the roof. Once you get your beef seasoned up like this here, give it a nice mix. Get the flavorification well dispersed throughout this beef, baby. Just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We got 5 of these guys here. I mean, make sure they about the same size. Get it into a ball. Smash them out. It's not too complicated, man. Don't overthink it. Hey, man, it's Memorial Day weekend. We outdoors. We got this great beef down. So listen, after you get your beef down, we got some of these bad boys here. Some all beef, 100% beef, no fillers, all thrillers, no fillers. All beef franks. Beef on beef. Take these beef franks. We gonna roll. This is none too complicated, even proportion it out. That's a beef on beef hot dog right now. We finna make it a corn dog. Don't overthink it. This is a chopstick. We're gonna get them right up the beef. A lot of people go halfway, don't do that. I need you to go all the way up the dog until you punch your finger. Make sure everything is well dispersed and it's sitting right on the skewer. Nope. Skewer. Nope. Skewer. Skewer. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Put it on the skewer. The reason we want that thin layer of beef on here, we flash frying these at a temperature so we don't want no raw beef and all. You know, it's raw, it's not done, Chef Ray. Beef on beef corn dog. So we're gonna get the rest of these done, and we're gonna show you how to batter them up and get them in the grease. Everything is ready. Get you a tall glass or a bowl or whatever you got. We're gonna try our best to get this stuff down in this bowl. Hold on, wait a minute, we don't wanna make no mistakes. Put a little force with them and get them down in there. We got about a cup and a half, 2 cups of cornstarch here, because we have to coat these things, man. We want this batter to stick to the beef on beef dogs. This is key right here. You want them, this is well coated and it's cornstarch. Knock the excess off. We dipping. Get it all the way in there. Pull straight back out. Twirl it a little bit. You know, you gotta finesse it. Let all that drip off. We got some vegetable oil here. It's about 350 degrees. And you just don't want to drop it. You want to make sure you swerve it a little bit. It's not going to take long at all. That color going to get to going. That's why you want that oil about 350. Give it a toss, give it a turn. Let it do its thing for about maybe 4 or 5 minutes. Once we got that golden brown and delicious, that's that beef on beef corn dog. You can eat it right here if you want to. But we're going to get us a thermometer. Make sure we got our beef cooked right to the right temperature. We're going to throw them in the oven for about 5 minutes on 350. Let the internal of that beef and everything come on up to temperature, and I guarantee it's gonna be delicious. Let's get the rest of them done, baby. And that's the last one, baby. Look at that. Beef on beef corn dogs, baby. We gotta get them in the oven for 5 minutes. Make sure everything is up to temperature. We looking for about 160 on the internal. Let's go to the oven. Memorial Day weekend, you know we going brazy, baby. Mustard and ketchup mixed it together, we got mixed up. We're gonna pull this skewer out of here. See what the show is all about. Oh my God, look at there, man. That beef in there, it's got the crispification on the outside, juicy on the inside too. A little mustard, a little ketchup. We gotta try this out, come here. Oh my God, you have to salute these things. This is next level American food. What get more American than the corn dog, baby? Beef on beef corn dogs. Real quick, man, I appreciate you for watching. I appreciate you for tuning in. I hope you enjoy your holiday like we are, Memorial Day Monday. So check this out. Try these out. Try them out. Just put them out there. Let the people. You're gonna be a superstar. You heard me, JPC gang? Go smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell. Cause we always jamming and cooking. Right here with your boy, Chef Ray, Mr. Money. Until next time, peace and love.